Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I hope you guys are all well. The weather is really nice today. So it's lovely today. It was raining last night and now this morning we have fresh, like a fresh breeze. It's beautiful. Yesterday was so hot and humid. Today is really nice. Let me show you guys the flowers. This one's just blooming, that yellow one. Beautiful rose, that one. And that one's blooming too. That's these ones. Rose eyes. Oh, it's nice. After a long time, we've had some rain after 4-5 weeks. And yesterday was awfully hot, very hot and humid. This morning I put some food out again and the big magpie just runs away with it. Not fair for the wee small birds. So it's going a bit upset. Oh, it's nice. It's a wee bit cloudy, but I think it'll clear away. You can hear all the sound of the bird this morning. You could hear the woodpecker, believe it or not. Oh, it's lovely. It's really, I don't know, but it's lovely to hear all the sound of all these different birds. On that tree branch, I can see them and hear them, the sound of them. Oh, look at that one. Right guys, so it's Blessed Friday today, so a lot of things to do. So take care everyone, have a lovely day today. It's Friday and weekend. Have a nice weekend everyone. Oh, look at that, there's a big wasp there. Yeah, that is a big wasp. I am terrified. Yeah, no, I'm doing the recording from distance. Anyway, right. You know, I've not heard any planes today going by. Anyway, have a lovely weekend. Take care, everyone. Bye.